Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Sultan Arif. In this video, I will tell you about supporting details and transitions. Supporting details is a paragraph includes fact, assertion, and details example that lead us to a complete comprehension of the main concept. The key concept is clarified, illuminated, explained, described, expanded, and illustrated, and supported by details. Supporting details conviction. The first, decide which knowledge help to advance the plot line. The second, decide which knowledge help you to grasp the main point. And the third, answer to the question asked by the main concept: who, what, when, why, or how. Types of supporting material. The first, comparison. Example, a person who is diligent will have a different fate from a lazy person. The second, contrast. Example, a successful businessman is clearly richer than a state civil servant. The third, statistic. Example, there is more than 50% water content in the human body. The fourth, graphs. Example, that 7.1.3 picture is one of some types of graph. The fifth, quotations. Example, he told me don't push him. The sixth, vivid descriptions. Example, she looked at me with a smile. I immediately turned my face, then started smiling too. Major and minor details. There are two categories of information supporting the main and minor data. The basic structure of paragraphs from the core concept and its major supporting information. The key information are the primary points supporting the primary theory. Sometimes, paragraphs often contain small information. Although the key details clarify and improve the main concept, the minor supporting details are extended in turn. Example of main idea and major detail. Studies suggest that the first name of people may have an effect on them. In a good way, certain names reflect on persons. Other name ways, however, have a negative effect. Example of main idea and major and minor detail. Studies say that individuals' first names may have an influence on them. Any names in a positive way reflect on individuals. For example, one poll showed that American men considered the word Susan to be a planning. Anthony was deemed to be the name of someone very friendly by participants in a British poll. However, such name can have a negative impact. In one research, for example, teachers gave lower grades to an essay purportedly written by boys. Transitions. Transitions connect terms or phrases that a writer uses from one thought to another to direct the order. You can find that they also direct you through a paragraph if you get in the habit of noticing transitions, helping you to read it more quickly. The theory of rhythm and line also leads to the general harmony of the architecture of the landscape. The sense of community between various regions of the landscape is responsible for this theory. By spreading planting beds from one field to another. One manner in which this consistency can be established is this is types of transition. Okay, I think that's all from me. If I have some mistakes, please forgive me. And if you have any critic or comments, please put them on comments column. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.